This is the demo of instrumentation amplifier. So before starting the experiment, you're supposed to ensure that your offset is set to 0. So for your offset adjustment, your pin number 39 and 40 are connected together. When both the op-amps are being given same input, that is 0 input, your output should also be 0. So we are going to take the connection from pin number 66, that is ground, and that is being connected to pin number 40. So we are going to supply both 39 and 40 with 0 input, and for this input your output should be 0, and for which the output pin number 41 is connected to the positive of your voltmeter, and pin number 67 is connected to the negative of your voltmeter, and it's found to be 0. In case it is not 0, you can use your offset potentiometer and change it and ensure that it becomes 0. The instrumentation amplifier gain is now adjusted to a particular unknown value. We are going to experiment and find out what is the gain value here. Okay, so in this case we are going to give two different voltages to your voltage 1 and voltage 2 to your both op-amps, and the change in these two voltage, the difference in these two voltage is multiplied by this gain, and that output is going to be taken as the reading out here. So your change in voltage is always V2 minus V1. Therefore, your V2 should always be greater than V1 to get a positive output. Your V2 is connected, your V2 pin number 40 is connected to the positive of your 30 volt supply, and then the negative of your 30 volt supply is grounded here to pin number 65 or 66. The positive of your 12 volt supply that is available in your kit is connected to pin number 39, that is your V1, and the negative of your kit 12 volt supply is connected to pin number 66. The output pin number 41 is given to your voltmeter positive, and the negative is given to your pin number 67. Since your kit does not have a display, therefore to find out what is the voltage that you are going to give in your kit here is to be measured using a voltmeter. So therefore you use one more multimeter and connect the positive to the positive of your 12 volt and negative to the negative of your 12 volt. Different readings are taken already for V1 and V2. So the last reading, you set your input voltage, your V2 to 9.3 by changing the adjustment of your external power supply, and then you change your knob here in your power supply that is available in your kit and make it to 7.45. you get your output as 3.83. Similarly, various other readings were taken. In your first reading, your V1 was less than your V2. In your second reading, your V1 was greater than your V2 and your output was found to be negative. In your third one, V1 was less than your V2 and output was found to be positive. And then you take the difference between V2 and V1, and this is the difference between V2 and V1. And to find the gain of the given system, the gain is equal to the output divided by V2 minus V1, since your output is equal to gain into difference between V2 and V1. So the gain is found to be 2.06 or 2.02 approximately in all the three cases. So this value is found out and the instrumentation amplifier's gain is found.